Hello traders, how are you doing? I hope you must be doing very well and you must be enjoying your life. So tell me everyone, how is it going? First of all, thank you so much for your kind and good feedback on my previous video that I uploaded yesterday. It was a weekly forex forecast for gold and euro US dollar, and I'm so sure enough that in this upcoming week it's going to be a super profitable week. And if I discuss the previous week, make sure to check out the weekly forecast. I discuss everything. So the previous week was also very fantastic. And till now, so far, this strategy, especially for gold, is working very nicely. So I thought since I have I at this time I do the gold US dollar weekly forex forecast, but since I did that yesterday for the day traders, today in this weekly forex forecast video, I will also be trying to share my simple strategy that you can adopt and you can make plenty of profits out of it, right, my friends? So without wasting further time, let's jump into the charts and try to watch this video completely from start till the end, right, my friends? Because if you skip the video in between, there are a lot of terminologies that you can miss and you will not get a complete understanding of it. So to all of the beginners traders and the aspiring traders, I want to suggest you don't skip, just watch the video. This is your investment of time on learning some new concept or some strategy. And believe me, if you understand this particular strategy, you are going to become a complete full-fledged earning trader, right, my friends? So there are, like, I have around like more than 200 strategies for different currency pairs, and this is one of my favorite one for gold especially. It can work on other pairs as well, but it has proved itself to be one of the fantastic trading strategy for me. And for reference and for the accuracy of this particular strategy, if you check back my previous videos, you will know that yes, it actually works. And this is 8-9 years worth of hard work, and today I'm so much happy that I'm right here presenting my strategy for all of you. So let me also quickly add RSI, and I will also be telling you and giving you the levels for the RSI. See, my friends, no one will be telling you these things free of cost, but since I assume and I consider all of you my friends, that's why I am giving you this particular strategy. So what you need to do is, I'm not sure if you can see the box or not, but in the parameters in the MT4 or MT5 or even in the trading view, you can set period 5, and for the levels by default it is 3070. I say make it 2080. So let's have a look at it now. RSI is successfully added, and this is level 80. Now remember, level 80 is overbought, right, and level 20 is oversold. So when market is oversold, we try to look for buying opportunities, and once market is above 80 or overbought, we look for selling opportunities, right? So this is a very powerful indicator, right? Now the strategy part. See, my strategy is very simple, and I will be showing you. Let's say this whole ABCD pattern works on each and every time frame of the uh, market, whether that is weekly, daily, H4, H1, M30, M15, M5, M1. You won't believe, but you will find these patterns everywhere. So same is the case right here. Today I will be analyzing gold with this in mind, right? This A, B, C, D. Now this is step number one. Step number one is find support and resistance levels. And I will be making a video about the support and resistance very soon, but today you just have a look at it. If I ask you, and if I ask you that this is a chart, hey Mr. A, this is a chart, can you find me the nearest level that I can rely on for my trading decisions? Just think about it. I'm showing you this market. Can you? And then if I say, please right here find out an ABCD pattern for me, can you do that? See, this ABCD pattern is 100% complete now. See now, just closely observe it. Is this a rocket science? I am explaining this particular strategy because when market is on this bullish wave, there are obviously like selling points as well. So then those beginner traders ask me, what should we do right here at the sell point? If it is suggesting a buy, what should we do? So this is the monthly time frame, and I would like to find out the support resistance levels. So I say find out a level which this last impulsive leg has closed above. So one will say, okay, this is now easy. Here we go. Here this market break above. I say, okay, that is fantastic. Then I move to the H4. Now see, this is not like a rocket science. Market dropped from here, dropped from here, dropped from here, and suddenly a break above, a retest, and a continuation. Got it? Now, just like that was the monthly stuff going on. On the weekly, if I say, like, no doubt 2005 and around this particular zone of 2147, because this is also a sort of a breakout, but the strong breakout level is this one of a level of 2070, we can say, or 67. So this is now the support. Now as a trader, if I'm going to apply a strategy, I have to see how much pips of range it is. This is 4551. I say this is so big, big time frame, big money, 4500. So the more money means more patience. So I say, okay, I'm a patient trader, but I also have some other options. See, whenever you go to the market, any physical market, and you see that like you get different options for same product. One shopkeeper is selling for a different price point, the other is selling for a different price point, and the other is selling for a different price point. So similarly right here we have one price point right here. People were selling right here, they failed. And one is right here. This was intended for a bullish wave and it completed it. And you will remember at the end of June, this trade opportunity I have discussed for long term. So 2430 pips it gave. Right? So for now I should say, okay, no problem. I just want to stick with this because anyways I'm going to analyze it on the daily time frame, so why not considering this as my stop loss level, my support level, sorry, support level 2284. See how beautiful it is. Now I'm coming to the RSI, that how it will be helping us. Now what's next? Just see, just see. There was this ABCD pattern, I discussed it. And yes, most of you guys ask me in the comment section about my courses. So new sessions are almost started. And I want to show you my WhatsApp number. This is my WhatsApp number. You can contact me for the new courses that are just launched. Right, so this ABCD pattern is completed. What I will do is I will simply add a line right here. Now what's next? Oops, I need to draw it again. Now my friends, this is a fantastic zone for me, and this zone is almost 2624 pips again. So in June price was right here, and this is mid of September, price is right there. Now on the basis of a daily time frame, I can see a drop towards 61.8% retracement. 2382, I see this drop with my own eyes, and I can feel that market is coming back down. Now here my friends, the strategy is completed. Now move on to the H4 and see how many times the market tried to close above this zone on the H4. Just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 times. And what the daily is telling us, the daily is telling us that it is coming back down to 2382. Now things are very getting like simple. Things are getting very simple. Fantastic range we have. So the first thing I did is I found support and resistance. Then I on the higher time frame, then I moved lower time frame, and then I moved further lower time frames and further lower time frame. So if I'm going to take a sell trade on the gold US dollar, I can easily take it. How? Without any sort of rocket science, I can take this trade. A sell from here, and the trade almost moved 439 pips, 445 pips. That's good. Now what's next, my friends? Since we are Fibonacci traders, I can also do this. Now the thing is even getting more clear. In 24, 25, approximately around 24-30 zone, we are getting another support. So in the upcoming week, I surely can say that it's dropping, but there is one slight problem. Just have a look at this ABCD pattern. Drop, and just look for its completion. Completion is exactly at 2540. So then this is like, see, like from right here, now this impulsive wave, you see, this is intraday. Shall I tell you how? Move to the H1 and see. Isn't it a fantastic buying zone? On the lower time frame, we have got a good support. So my friends, it will be like on each and every time frame, if you are correctly trading, these sellers, their stops are above 2540. around 25.76 somewhere. Long term traders. Now what next it can do? And I want to just show you that it worked very nicely in the past. Have a look at it. What is this level? 618. What is this level? 618 and a support. Simple. Very, very simple it is. So then I say, why most of the traders don't take good trading decisions? Just have a look at this pattern. Is there any rocket science, my friends? Not at all. Let's see this. A trend started on a double bottom, seems like ended on a double top, and any trend that is going to form after this double top, you see, this impulsive leg is completed up there. Now it's on the market if it gives us this wave or not towards 24.31, stops above 24.40. Story started on double bottom, ended on double top. Market started its down rally. So on the H4, let's suppose if I want to trade this particular one, I would have made 519 pips, and I did. But I don't want to disclose them because I don't want to prove something that, hey, world, see, I'm making money. No. Why would I prove myself? I don't need any urgency to prove to see my strategy or no. I am a completely straightforward trader. You guys know me for almost like 8-9 years. So I say, okay, set a stop loss above 25.40 and target near 24.31. This is one trade opportunity. Another trade opportunity is, and sellers are holding, my friends. People have good money. They want to invest. Even last week, the messages that I have got, someone made $1,500, someone made $3,000, some made $7,000, and the highest trade was 13,300 something, $13,000. But it obviously depends on the client's, the audience equity. Everyone has different equity. So even I personally didn't make 7,000 last week, but my audience did. So that's like completely my own personal happiness that, hey, due to my analysis, someone made money. That's good. Give good vibes. So on the daily, yes, it is surely a sell. On the H4, sellers already took this profit, right? So the H4 traders, I will recommend leave later. When you enter right here, you can make some other profits. Now my friends, this strategy, is this any difficult? No. And this selling area is very fantastic. The strategy is giving us profits. So I say, okay, if it is dropping, I will take a buy right here. This is like the tricky part that you need to focus on. I will take a buy. The market is not going anywhere, my friends. It will always be plotting and drawing and printing these candles, ups, downs, ups, downs. This is us who always try to chase the market, and this is something I hate. This is something I really don't like. Why you guys are chasing the market? Let's say I made this analysis. I will be relaxed and I will be just like open my mobile. If I'm on a road, I will open a mobile, see the price point. I will say, okay, it is near 24.31. Oh, I will say this is a very good zone. Wherever I am, I will open my laptop if I have internet. If I don't have internet, I will rush to some place where internet is available. or I will come back to my home studio right here, because obviously if I'm going to take a decisions, there are a lot of accounts connected with me, a lot of clients as well with me, members. I have to update them. So when price will be right here, what I'm going to do is I will just be looking for some sort of pattern. See, what is this? This is a pattern. Let me zoom in. Now you will say, what type of pattern is this? See, after this, and even we traded this one as well. And even I have told you that this is just only this much. If you are new to my channel, make sure to check out my previous videos, because this was my selling point when I was stopped out with a stop loss of around 200 or maybe 150 pips. I say, okay, there is a change of trend going to occur. What was that change of trend? The Fibonacci was not respected right here. And that was the confirmation. See, market was supposed to drop from here, but it closes above this, stopping me out. So when it went up there, it took a double top, it came back down, took a retest of the broken level and continued straight up. If you are new to my channel, you just check this video. If you have time, always watch my previous videos, full of information and pro stuff I am giving free of cost right here. So a retest. Now there is, my friends, this setup now activated. Now there is bullish ABCD as well, and that is this, which is pointing towards 2567. So anyone who is taking long-term trading decisions, the stop should be above 2560, because most likely when it touch 2540, it is going to retest that as well. So with a tiny stop loss, just leave the market. See, a confirmation right here, how much profit it give. A retest, how much profit it give. And if I show you, this is also a 61.8% retracement and a retest of this previous zone. Just have a look at it. So on the daily, weekly, monthly, everywhere, sorry, not the monthly, but on a weekly, daily, and H4, it is showing bearish. But on the H1 and this one, it is showing bullish. So what should we do in such situations? Do nothing. Just wait for the market. If you are holding this sell position and if you think you are happy with this 429 pips, you will close it. My friends, 429 pips is way too much profit. What are you saying? This is way too much profit. I have seen traders who their target per day is just 7-8 pips, but they trade 50-60 lots. This is not good. 50-60 lots I don't want to trade. Only brokers can do that. I'm not a broker. I'm a retail trader. I'm a mentor. I don't do this. I don't want to be in traps of others. You know, if I fall into a trap, I will not be able to analyze these markets. I will not be able to trade them. Last week it was around 1700 pips of profitable move. And I just made around 300 or 400 out of it. And I could easily make 1400. But just like yesterday, I have told you, I'm so much nervous these days. I'm completely fed up. I hardly time I hardly find out time for these charts, and I'm soon moving to my capital. But I want to teach to one batch of students, and I can hardly facilitate around 5 to 6 students, because these are one on one. sessions, not in a class, right? Not in a class that 40 people in one Zoom session. No, my friends, I'm not that much greedy. If I charge you, I will be charging you for my one-on-one time. As far as the knowledge is concerned, well, I do that in the video as well. And there are some things which obviously there is a lot of competition, and I can share it with my audience. I have no problem in that. But the thing is, there is competition, and other mentors are also watching the video. The brokers, the hedge funds, they have their eye on different YouTubers. So obviously, there are things that I cannot disclose, and that's part of the my one-on-one sessions. If you are interested, do contact me. These days, I am trying to, like, you can say, gather some money so that I can move to another city, right? Because mostly I have told you, when I'm disturbed, I cannot make money in the forex market. Last week I made around 370 or 400 pips. I withdraw the money and paid the dues of my school dues of my kids. So no saving, right? If you are serious, my friends, without you, like, before you lose your money, do contact me and I can mentor you. The WhatsApp number is shown, so we can proceed from there. So this is like the simplest strategy, double top, double bottom, and this is how I explained it. Now you have in mind that this 2570 is a stop loss level, but for what type of traders? For long term traders who take trades for months. Just like in June, I said, June I gave this particular trade opportunity, moved around 2000, then a drop, then another drop, then this buy, then this buy. All of these I have discussed in my videos. But maybe they are free, that's why you guys are not paying full attention to it, right? This is the pro stuff. If you want to understand this strategy, do contact me and we can start a new beginning, right? My sympathies and my well wishes will always be with you. Make sure to give me a very, very strong feedback in the comment section down below so that I can make more and more such videos for you. So this week, for the second time, I discussed gold along with my strategy as well. I have told you how to find support, how to find resistance, which resistance is good for you, which is not good for you. Everything I have discussed. Now after this, if you have any questions and you don't ask me, that's your fault. Right, my friends? That will be your fault. Because I have made myself clear. If you are not asking me questions, how will I know that you are having this problem? You will ask me question, then I will be explaining it. So a drop is coming, and in the day trading forecast for gold and euro dollar, now I will be in better position to say something, that what the market is going to do right here, what is going to do right here, if it is going to complete that, how that will be, if there is we need to take a buy trade, how we will be taking a buy trade, if we are going to take a sell, how that sell will look like. Everything I discuss with my members. So before it's too late, before you lose more money and take bad decisions and get stuck into a bad hedging trading system, then I do recommend you just contact me. And someone, like, I send my kids to school. So in my city there are a lot of school and all of are good. But the school which they are going right now, personally I like it. I like their ambience. So you see if this strategy suits you and if you like it. Because I can, in video I'm telling you this, Beyond this strategy, there is nothing in the forex. Beyond this whole market moves on this ABCD algorithm followed by support resistance. And this is us, the brokers and those educators. They say, okay, this is like a reversal pattern or this is that pattern. No, you can find these pattern for yourself by working, right? So I will see you tomorrow in the maybe in the day. I cannot promise you that I will be uploading the daily forecast videos, because but the weekly I'm almost here, because during the day I'm mostly busy with members as well, because their money I consider my own money. If my investor is not happy, do you think I will be happy? No. How can I be happy if my investor is in a bad position? I cannot. Not possible at all for me. In other sessions, I will explain that why it gives me a headache when my member take a bad trading decision. So I work with my members just like I'm taking those decisions for myself. So by taking my course, it doesn't mean you are just taking a course and I will let you go. Nah, I will make you either a profitable trader, or I will tell you that if you cannot adopt it for some reason, there are some alternative ways for you. So, yes, thank you so much, my friends, for watching this session. I will meet you tomorrow, most probably. Till then, take a lot of care of yourself and goodbye.